Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Emancipation Day. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an emancipation recipe, well, a Guyanese emancipation recipe that's called Guyanese Metemgee. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious metemgee, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe. And if you guys would like to follow me on social media, my Instagram and Facebook is Cooking with Afton as well. Okay, guys? And also I have a second channel. I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And all my measurements and ingredients for this dish, I will leave in the description box down below as well. And also, guys, I would like to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch my ads in my video, that helps me out a lot. Alright, so let's get started. Hey everyone, these are my ingredients for my Guyanese Metemgee. Over here I have about 3 cups of coconut milk, freshly squeezed coconut milk. For provision I have ripe plantain, sweet potato, cassava and eddos. My veggies I have onion, garlic, ginger, shallots, celery, wiri, pepper and fine leaf thyme. Here we have some mustard hot sauce and green seasoning, all-purpose seasoning in cubes, and black pepper and chili powder. So let's get started. So guys, I just put on my pot on the stove. So I'm gonna pour in some oil, about 2 tablespoons oil, and I'm gonna fry up my veggies. So I'm gonna pour in my veggies now, my onion and garlic. I'm going to pour inside, and I will fry it for about 2 minutes. I'm going to stir it up with this spoon. Just like this. So I'm going to fry it a little bit. I'll come back and I'll show you guys the next step. It has been frying up for about 2 minutes. What you're going to do now, you're going to pour in your freshly squeezed coconut milk. Nice, rich coconut milk. Stir it up a little bit. Also, you're going to put in a cup of water. You're going to put in all your provisions: sweet potato, ripe plantain, cassava and eddos. Mix everything up here. So you're going to flavor your pot now. To flavor my pot, I'm going to put in cubes and all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to put in some green seasoning and mustard hot sauce. I have to scoop that out. Yes, I'm putting in the mustard hot sauce. And I'm going to put in my black pepper and chili powder. Guys, everybody make their metemgee different, but this is how I like to make my metemgee. Okay, guys? So I'm going to stir to make sure all of the seasoning mix up into the coconut milk. So now you're gonna cover your pot and you're gonna let this boil till it gets soft. So we'll be back. So guys, my metemgee is boiling. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to make my tiger, or you can also call it Duff. In here I have some flour, butter, sugar, salt, and baking powder. So the first thing you're going to do is mix your butter into the flour. Alright, so you're going to mix the butter until all the butter is mashed up into the flour. So all the butter mixed up into the flour. So now we're going to put in our sugar and salt. I like to put a lot of sugar in mine because I like my tiger to taste sweet, but it's optional. You guys don't have to put so much sugar. And we're gonna put in our baking powder. We're gonna mix it up. I didn't show you guys just now that you also need to have some water. All right. So you're gonna pour in some water, and you're gonna form a dough. Yeah, and then you're gonna form a dough. Pour a little bit more water. I have to figure out a way now to show you guys how to roll the dough, because I'm videoing with one hand and I'm using the other hand to make the dough. So we'll be back. So guys, so I formed my dough here. So I'm gonna roll it out in pieces and let you guys see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make your duff now. All right, how to roll it out. So I have my dough here. I'm gonna take out a piece, put it in some flour, and you're just gonna roll it like this. Just like this. See? So simple and easy. You take another piece again, put it into the flour, and you just roll the tiger, roll the tiger, roll, just like this. All right, and set it aside. So when I finish rolling out all of them, I'll show you guys the next step. So we'll be back. So I finished rolling out all of my tiger slash duff. So I'm gonna put it into the pot and let you guys see. So my metem is boiling there, and the ripe plantain is finished. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it out because it's finished. Only thing we need to boil a little bit more is the eddos. Ooh, a lot of steam. Hope you guys can see. Yeah. So I'm gonna take out the ripe plantain and then put in the duff, and we'll be back. So we're gonna put in our tiger now, one at a time, and you're gonna leave it right up top. You don't have to mix it up into the metemgee. You can leave it right up top here. I'm gonna put in all of them here. And I'm gonna cover my pot and let it boil for about 5 minutes. So we'll be back in 5 minutes. So guys, my duff is finished, so I'm gonna take them out. How to get double inside. Put them out one by one. Hope you guys can see because there's a lot of steam here. Ooh. Yes, I'm gonna take them out one by one and I'll show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so I just dished out my Guyanese Metemgee with fried fish, so I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try my metemgee on camera and let you guys see. So this is how the metemgee is looking here. In my metem I have tiger, also known as duff, ripe plantain, cassava, sweet potato, eddos, and a piece of fried fish here. So I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it and let you guys see. I'm gonna taste a piece of my duff here, piece of my ripe plantain, and a piece of my fish, my fried butterfish. Guys, I finished cooking like hours ago, but I didn't get to end off the video or taste it on camera, so I'm gonna do it now. So here it goes. gonna have to bend down a little bit. This metemgee is really good, guys. You guys need to try my recipe. It's really, really good. So, I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. And also please subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you reach the end of the video, thank you so much. And I want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. Alright guys, so take care and happy emancipation, and everyone hope everyone enjoyed the emancipation. Bye.